All right, guys, it's your boy, the Bitcoin Networker, and we are back here in the back office of Ucoin Cash. They have gone live. The exchange is live for the first 1,000 people that jumped on board. They are buying and selling in heavy volume. Unfortunately, we were not one of those first 1,000 individuals, and that's why we have this sign right here. And so if you see this, it's most likely because you weren't one of the first 1,000 to get involved with the exchange here. All right, so let's go ahead and scroll down, show you that this is live and it is working. And so there are buy and sell orders that are coming in as we speak. And, you know, that's awesome. That's awesome for the platform. It looks like we do have sell orders, 18 buy orders, a whole ton of them. So it's right now going for $7.37 USD, and that's a great sign for Ucoin Cash. I believe the price of this will go up dramatically. You know, there's going to be 1,000 people. The first 1,000 people that were involved in this, most likely they're some of the most dedicated and have a ton of coin already. So you're not going to see a lot of people selling this, but you'll probably see a lot of buys, and that is indicative of what we see down here. A lot of people buying, but not too many people selling. Only 18 BTC worth of sell orders and a whole ton of buy orders worth of BTC or UHC right here. So, all right, we'll keep you updated to see when everyone will be able to jump on board and see whether Ucoin Cash deserves to allow us to lend on their platform. Have they restored your faith enough to make a loan? Let us know in the chat, yes or no. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and give this video a like if you like the content, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notifications so that you stay up to date and informed on all the latest lending platform ICOs, up-to-date information. All right. Thank you so much for checking out our video. Bitcoin Networker out.